Five, four,
three, two, one.
let's go!
Welcome to Pause Live, where no news is too big
and no story too small.
Alright, it's gonna be a short one today.
Last week you saw how our work was organized. This week we're going to show you how the food is prepared.
Let's get to it.
Comedy. My name's Lisa Holiday. I work at high school. I miss all my breakfast kids because when they come in the morning, they're all half asleep. No, they're not morning people. Once we get all of our meals out on the buses and out of here for today, we get our bags made up for the next day. We only will put in there non-perishable. So a lot of times I'll have 500 bags, 525 bags with nothing in them until Monday morning. So we all get in here early, 5:15. And start getting the lunches all together. Sandwiches are getting made at 6 o'clock. So as they come out, we're bagging them, getting them ready. These are our hot food coolers. So you guys know we serve hot meals on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so Monday, this is what you guys are having Monday. You will be having raisins with your sandwich, which I believe is ham and cheese. And what else? Vegetable. Carrots. Yep. All right. Come on in. So these are going to be our lunches for our walkers today, our pickups. We have 20 in each box so we can keep track of them. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, and a little bit there, and 20 more. These are going to be your breakfasts for Monday. So Monday you guys are having cereal. Back here is milk. Back here, take a picture. Now remember, probably 20 cases of milk already went out today.
Holy cow.
Okay, this is your cheese sticks. Look at how we get your cheese for your sandwiches.
Hi guys, we miss you.
Yeah, we miss you.
Cool, right? Alright, now we have another senior special. Take a look. Abby McCoy's future plans are to attend SUNY Cortland to major in biomedical sciences, alongside continuing her career in basketball. Her favorite high school memory is winning the state championship in basketball. Abigail Burrell's future plans are to attend Damon College for pre-veterinarian sciences. Her favorite high school memory is winning states alongside her best friends on the basketball team. Hunter Irwin will major in biology and plans to become a physician's assistant. His favorite memory would be hanging out with his friends at sporting events. Tawny Bowers will go to Dewville to major in exercise science and physical therapy, with a minor in English or nutrition. She will probably become a physical therapist or a strength coach. She might do something with writing as well. Her favorite high school memory is the last homecoming pep rally and dance. Zach Burrell will attend Alfred State College for business and agriculture. His favorite high school memory is playing on the boys' varsity basketball team his senior year. Jacob Freer plans to go to Ohio Technical College for welding. His favorite high school memory is shooting trap with his best friend. Keep sending your information to our Pause Live email.
Stay tuned for our next episode. We have a lot of fun things coming. Okay, Panthers, that's it for Pause Live,
And we will see you soon.
5, 4,